Chào các bạn, welcome to Vietvuive channel. And in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you about Vietnamese consonant clusters. A consonant cluster is a group of 2 or 3 consonants placed together. And in Vietnamese, this cluster can occur at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. And they can really change how a word sounds. There are 11 consonant clusters in Vietnamese. Let's start from the first one. Chờ, chờ. This word means father. Cha, cha. The next one is gờ, gờ. This word means chairs. Ghế, ghế. The next one is di, di. This word means old. Già, già. Khờ, khờ. This word means no. Không, không. And the next one is ngờ, ngờ. This word means to sleep. Ngủ, ngủ. Ngờ, ngờ. This word means listen. Nghe, nghe. Nhờ, nhờ. This word means great. Nho, nho. And next one is phở, phở means street. Phố, phố. Của, của. This word means to forget. Quên, quên. Hờ, hờ. This word means breathe. Hở, hở. And the last one is chờ, chờ. This word means tea. Trà, trà. There are 2 clusters that have the same sounds, which is ng and ngh is ngờ, ngờ. But in writing, we will follow this rule. Ng is used before the vowels a, á, ớ, o, ơ, u, and ư. For examples, ngô means corn. Người means person. But ngh is used before the vowels e, and e. For examples, nghe means to listen, and nghĩ means to think. This rule is important for proper spelling and pronunciations in Vietnamese. Following them will help you navigate the language more effectively. And that's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to help me by liking and subscribing to Vietvuive channels. Cảm ơn các bạn!